Guys, so as you can see, my car, well, that's not my car, that's been here. The car is missing my left driver headlight. I just got stopped by the cops about 5 minutes ago, and I promised the officer that I would stop at the nearest auto center and just get a new light bulb instead of getting a $150 ticket. Anyways, here it is. This one right here, super easy. Just gotta, you just need to turn this. Gotta turn this outer ring, just like that. After you turn the outer ring, which is this moving piece right here, then you can take out the bulb. What's wrong with this bulb? I have no idea. It looks fine to me. So go to your auto zone or anywhere. This is the basic one, 9006. This is the same one that they'll recommend you for your low beam. And let's put it in. All right, so here's the light bulb. Don't touch the glass. As far as I know, if you get like some little bit of oil or something in there, like your skin oil or any kind of impurities, it could harm the light bulb. All right, so now let's turn this back the other way. There it goes, it locked. Now let's plug this in. Plug there. There it goes. Got the light bulb back. The new light bulb looks a little brighter. I guess that's expected. And there it goes. That's it, guys. 1991 Honda Accord right here. Looks beautiful.